Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new season of my Bucket List Day. This is Season 2 and Episode 1. I'm super excited to be starting the new season with you, and I can't tell you how grateful I am to all of you who have subscribed. We are almost to 5,000 subscribers, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. All of you that have subscribed, liked, left comments, and everything you've been doing to help out this channel. I wouldn't be here without you, and I couldn't be here without you. So thank you all so much who have subscribed. And for those that haven't, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell, and don't forget the like button. And I love getting your comments, whether it's down below or on Facebook. And for all of you that are my former business associates on LinkedIn, thank you for all your comments there and the likes that you've put there. It just means the world to me that so many of you have subscribed and are following me on this wonderful journey. And as I mentioned, Season 2, I'm excited. We're going to be going to a lot of cool places, doing a lot of cool things. I've been booking some of the fun activities already, a couple months out, but I've been booking them. And for those of you who are my bucket list buddies, you're going to get very soon some updates on where we're going and what we're going to be doing and some of those activities. And so if you're not already an insider, I suggest you click the button there to become a bucket list buddy and get all the inside information and news first. As promised, I was going to show you the remodeling I was doing in the rig and the addition of my new office in the living room. So go ahead and take a look at this intro, and we'll be right back. Welcome back. Again, I'm so excited we're at Season 2 already. But as I mentioned before, I felt there were some things in this RV or this unit, the 376TH Momentum by Grand Design. There's space that was just not perfect for what I was trying to use it for. So I decided to remodel the living room to make it a little more conducive for my use. And hopefully you guys will enjoy this and maybe inspire some ideas for you to do your own remodel or change things up to make it a little more comfortable for you. So let's get right into it. Alright friends, so as I mentioned, I was going to keep you updated on the remodeling I'm doing on my rig. So specifically in the living room, I'm doing a few things. Let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm up. So as you see on one side, I'll try to zoom out as best I can. You know, I have the theater chairs right here, then a sofa on the one side, but then got my living room or my fireplace, and the TV comes out of there. On the other side was a sofa, but I took that out, and excuse the mess, I just stacked it all up there so I could move to this location where I'm going to finish this desk. And that's what I'm putting here, is this desk. So these cabinets are all right now mounted in there. I've got the drawer strapped because I haven't put the drawer stops in, but I'll be doing that as well. Anyway, this is the project. I'm basically making this other slide my desk or my office. These cabinets put me behind a little bit. I needed them to match the cabinets that are already in the unit, and I found them. However, it took a month to get them, and ironically when they arrived they were all damaged. I had to rebuild both of them to get them functional and looking right again. On this one here on the left, I had to actually replace the outside panel here. It was all smashed, so that was a pain in the butt. So anyway, as you'll notice, I took the vertical valances off. Sorry if it gets bright there, but the valances are missing. I didn't want to have those in the way on the desktop. So the desk is going to cover this whole area. You'll see back over here, the vertical valances are still installed. Obviously, that's what they look like. So right now my desk is down on the kitchen table. As you see, my monitor is right there. So, and now it's going to be here. So I'll keep you posted on the progress. I'm actually going to be filming some of the work, so you get to see progress as I move along. That's the okay, we're making progress. I've got the footer board clamped on there. I had to do that so I could measure these end pieces.
I hate them.
Okay, stop for a second. Okay, we got the front fascia on the top. As you can see, I drilled down, then screwed them in, I glued it and screwed it, and then obviously,
Plugged it.
as you see, you got the wood plugs in there.
It's gonna be nice, man.
And that's what Joanne's now sanding down, making it smooth and flush.
It's gonna be pretty.
And then it's going to be ready for the bonding primer. And then we paint. So here we are. I dry fitted the lower piece, or the kick plate, some people call it. And the slide is out right now, or in a little bit, but so we'll put this out. And it slides right over the ledge. Right now I just have it holding on with the clamps. Sorry, sloppy camera work. I'm having to move around obstacles. Anyway, get the top back in. We're almost done. We're about to cut the floor. Here's the piece for the new subfloor. And I'm going to put a little insulation under it just to add a little more warmth. So the desktop is installed. Looks pretty good. Fits like a glove. Nice snug fit all the way around. We'll chalk that up to experience in measuring. Meets up against the original molding perfectly. And then you see I've got the board there. I got to touch up with paint, but that's going to hold my keyboard tray. So now for the toe kick. As you see, it's ready to be installed down there. Let's get on that. So now it's time to get the holes drilled for all the drawer handles. So as you see, I made this jig with holes already in it that align to the handles that I'm going to install. So I just place this jig inside the squares of the drawer face and start drilling the holes. As you see, I've got them all done already, but made it very simple by making this jig. And then you make sure everything is completely lined up and exactly centered. Next, I installed the drawer catches to make sure the drawers don't slide open while I'm going down the road. And on the drawer face, as you see, I have the one catch. And then on the cabinet itself, there we go, focus. Then on the cabinet itself, I've installed the mate to it. And it's on the underside. And then when you close the drawer, it does feel like it's catching, but it doesn't really feel strong. On the lower two drawers on both sides, I installed the catches on the sides because there wasn't a vertical part. Now you see I installed the subfloor already. Unfortunately, the linoleum I ordered from Grand Design isn't here yet. I guess due to COVID, there is a short supply of this. But as soon as it comes in, I'm going to install it. And I'm going to edge it with the same black trim that you see on the staircase here. That's going to go right there on the edge of the floor and the toe kick. So you see I installed the keyboard tray already, and that's working great. And that's about it for now. I'll give you an update tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's a new day, and I'm just finishing up the desk, putting the last touches on. In fact, why don't you join me as I put the last handle on, and it is complete, and it's ready to get set up with all my computer monitors and everything else. And now we're done. Well, and here it is, all set up and ready to go. Got a little light here. Decided to go with two new monitors. As you may be able to tell, they are curved screens, curved monitors. Don't know if you can see that. Here we go from the angle. And then the keyboard and trackpad are down there on the tray. And that's the setup. Works pretty nice. I'd love to know what you guys think of this, and if you enjoyed seeing how we put a desk in a slide out in 376th. So there it is. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. So far, the desk is working out perfectly. And at this point, no, Grand Design still hasn't shipped me the linoleum floor, so I keep moving down the road with basically a bare wooden floor beneath my feet at my desk. But eventually it will come in and I'll get that installed. So I'd love to hear your comments on what you guys think about this new addition or this remodel, my new office. And if there's any questions you have about the installation of everything, I'm happy to answer your questions. So, but before we go, we have to play the Patriot games. So this next area that I've been at might be easy for some of you, but might be difficult for others. It's a fun area I go to often when I'm in that particular town, and have a lot of fun meeting up with friends and having a good time. So let me know if you think you know where this is.
Wrapped up now, but
all right, do you guys know where that is? I'm so excited for all of you that have been playing the Patriot games. Lots of you have been participating, and I'm excited about all the prizes that I'm collecting that will be given away on July 4th of 2021. Before we go, again, I can't tell you how thankful and grateful I am to all of you that have been subscribing to my channel and liking and commenting and all sorts of things like that. It means the world to me. It really, really does. And Without you, this would not be possible. Your support has been greatly appreciated, and I'm just humbled by many of your comments and the kind words that you've said. And let's keep this going. Another season. Let's have more fun. In fact, I've got a goal. My goal is to hit 10,000 subscribers in the next... can we do it in the next 30 days? Let's see. So hopefully you all enjoy this content. I thank you for watching. Make it a great day.